Today we're talking about various surfaces that will work well with peel and stick wall murals. We will walk you through what to look for and how to prepare them for application. Plaster is a great surface for peel and stick wall murals, but it must have a sealant or paint applied. Untreated plaster surfaces are too coarse for the adhesive to adhere properly. A semi-gloss or gloss sealant or paint will make it a suitable surface. Confirm that the plaster has been painted or sealed. Do note that slight textures or variations in the surface will telegraph through and might be noticeable in your mural. As long as it's clean of any dirt or cleaning solutions, ceramic tile makes a great surface for installing your mural. It will also allow for easy and clean removal in the future. However, grout is not as accepting of the mural adhesive. You might see the pattern of the grout lines showing through. Consider trimming the mural around the grout lines, as this pattern can create some interesting effects in your artwork. This is another porous material that can have adverse effects on your artwork. Raw, untreated wood tends to have a hair-like surface that makes it difficult for adhesive to stick. For this reason, we recommend using a polyurethane sealer or paint on the wood surface. The wood might also need to be sanded and painted again to ensure a smooth surface. These are the smoothest, flattest surfaces possible, making them excellent for vinyl peel and stick murals. Just ensure that the surface is clean and you're all set. Polished stainless steel is an ideal surface for peel and stick wall murals. Avoid using stainless steel cleaners as they leave silicone or oils behind. It is best to clean the surface with Windex and then follow up with rubbing alcohol. Dry the surface thoroughly before application. Similar to plaster, sealed concrete is another extremely porous surface that requires a good sealant. There are varying qualities of concrete, with some having additives for weather protection and others being extremely dense and smooth when polished. Always seal your concrete surface with polyurethane or paint to ensure the mural adheres properly. This will work as long as you're okay with any indented pattern from the seams in the panels. 90% of the time, murals are applied to painted surfaces. This is entirely acceptable, and our pieces are optimized for painted walls. However, the quality of the adhesive bond and ease of future removal depends on the type of paint used. Our pieces work extremely well with eggshell, satin, and semi-gloss paints. Matte paint will work, but the adhesive bond may not be as strong as with glossier surfaces. If the wall wasn't cleaned before it was painted, or if the primer didn't bond well to the wallboard, you may experience paint peeling during mural removal. In such cases, the adhesive holds onto the paint better than the paint adheres to the wall, leading to paint failure. While our peel and stick murals work with most brands of paint, we recommend avoiding paints with zero or low VOCs, as they can sometimes lead to peeling. If you're unsure, message us through our contact page at peelandstick-wall-murals.com and we will send you a small sample to test your surface. Place the sample on the wall and check after 24 hours. If the sample remains fully bonded, you're good to go. If you choose to paint or seal your wall, allow a minimum of 5 days for the paint to cure. While the paint may feel dry before 5 days, it will still be outgassing. Installing the mural while the wall hasn't fully cured can lead to failure. In areas with high humidity, use a fan to assist in the outgassing process. Some paints cure faster than others, but we strongly recommend waiting the full 5 days. Textures can be tricky. A smooth surface is best. Slight texture may work, but extremely rough or stucco surfaces will cause adhesion problems, as the mural will only stick to the top of the texture. For more tips on installation care and removal, visit our Peel and Stick Wall Mural University Library. Be sure to subscribe for updates and specials at peelandstickwallmurals.com.